Is it rocky?
It's sandy. There's a few rocks.
There's like one rock every.
No, yeah, it's mostly sand. There's a little bit of pebbles at the right here. There's a lot of sand. That feels good.
There's a few of these doggone bugs right here. I'm gonna splash them.
There's no blood. Oh, right underneath my seat there's a rope.
It's kind of warm. There's like really warm on my seat.
Yeah, I know. Why is that? It's so.
I know.
Like it's just like the water is just warm.
Who made it warm?
It's freezing up here.
Even over there.
It's really cold over here. It's cold. It's cold over here. It's cold. It's cold everywhere.